Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack. In today's video, I want to show you a very easy way to clean your toilet bowl. If you don't have the time to deep clean your toilet, or you are just looking for a new way to change a little bit ordinary cleaning mode, this video is for you. What you can use is regular dishwasher tabs. They are made up of builders to clean and get rid of the water hardness, bleaches to tackle bleachable stains, enzymes to break down dirt, and surfactants to get sparkling glasses. They're highly alkaline, meaning they can dissolve many things. Put 1 or 2 dishwasher tabs into the toilet bowl and let them completely dissolve. It will take a few hours. If you want, you can let them overnight. When they completely dissolve, use the toilet brush to clean thoroughly. If you are interested, I did a video on how to clean a toilet in less than 1 minute, how to deep clean a toilet, and other toilet related videos. I will link some of them at the end of this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you knew how effective the dishwasher tabs are into the toilet bowl. Your toilet is now sparkling clean. No more grime, urine buildup, stains, hard water, all shiny. I always put a black freshener in there because it smells so good and it will make the cleanliness last longer. If you want to learn how to clean other areas in your home, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos like this. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you next time. Bye!